So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Immutable X, ticker symbol IMX on Kraken. So once Kraken's opened up, go to the bottom right and press on Buy Crypto. In the search bar right here at the top, type in ticker symbol IMX or Immutable X right here. On this page, type the amount of IMX you're looking to buy. So if I wanted to do $20 as an example, I will do that. You can also go to Apple Pay right here and select your payment method. To go to the next page, just press on the purple arrow. On this page right here, you can see the amount, the price, the fee, and the total that you will be paying in this case. And if all looks good, you want to proceed. Go to the bottom, press on the purple confirm button, and proceed this way with the transaction. Very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy Immutable X, ticker symbol IMX on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.